a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a
Hey, okay. Hey, girl. Hey. I really want a introduction because I really don't like saying hey guys. But hey y'all, I'm back with another video. In this video, I just wanted to show you guys a very quick and easy makeup look. I'm gonna call it a natural glam. Not even glam, let's not even say glam, because the controversy around natural glam, soft glam, and just natural makeup period has been a thing. So I'm not gonna call it natural glam, but this is just a very natural look. Something you can do day to day, something that only will take you 15 minutes, if that. And anybody can do it. It's so beginner friendly. It's barely looking like I have anything on, and that was the goal. So if you are interested in seeing how I achieve this, continue watching the video and don't forget to subscribe if you like the video. I don't want to force nobody to subscribe, but it is free, okay? So it takes nothing to subscribe. You don't have to pay. But I am back officially, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. I do apologize if the lighting is off because I am using natural lighting. It is what I prefer, but it does look a little weird. So for this, I'm gonna say natural makeup look, because it seemed like it's been a lot of controversy about what is a natural makeup look and what is just a soft glam, and it's actually true. So I'm going to be doing a natural makeup look, and the controversy was that the soft beat is not a natural look, which is true. You have soft glam, which is not a natural look, and natural makeup is basically kind of barely there type of makeup. But honestly, to each his own. Whatever you want to call your natural makeup look, that's what you do. So for me personally, this is my natural makeup look. It is not my everyday look, but this is when I want to put something on my face because I feel like I need it. I did just have lash extensions on, so one extra step that I'm going to do is mascara, because last time I did this I had lash extensions on and I don't no more. So that's the only extra step that I need to do. But we're gonna start with brows. Now my skin is already prepped. You're going to still do your skin prep as if you were going to do a full glam makeup look. So I already did that. And you also definitely want to still add a primer. The primer that I'm going to be using, I was going to use this. I used this last time because I was outside. I'm not about to be outside, so I'm going to use my e.l.f. The niacinamide primer. Power Grip. Everybody know about this, so we're just going to use that. But, you know, primer is just the barrier between your makeup and your skin. So it's a protective shield. And I'm sorry, I'm looking in the mirror and I could actually be looking right here in my camera. So hi guys, I'm back. We're gonna keep this video about makeup, but I do have another video about other topics that I would like to discuss. I'm gonna be using my brow freeze, and what I've really been doing recently that I love, I've been using my finger, and that's brow freeze. So do not judge my brush because I'm the only one that use this brush, okay? And I'm gonna clean it when I get to it. But I've been using my finger, and I actually really been loving it. So I'll take my finger like that and literally just, I feel like the lighting is so off. Hold on. I'm gonna try to turn it this way. Okay. So I did that with my finger, and It's because I have to press it down anyway. It's just easier for me to use my finger. So, primer, brows. We're going to do, so for me, what I wanted to do was a little bit of under eye concealer, because I've been looking like what I've been going with the road. Okay, that's crazy to say, but it's true. So I'm gonna put a little bit of concealer under here, and this is the matte elf. I want to say it's deep cinnamon. Deep cinnamon. I love just a like a bright, not bright, but bright under eye. And while that is, you know, marinating a little, I'm going to use my brow pencil. You got to see. One thing I don't like about the Anastasia, honestly, I feel like what I should have done, and I always do this, every time I use it, I always say, well, I should have, like, did my brows before I put the product, but I just don't. It's like this product doesn't work like that. Now with the Mario, I could do that because it's like it's setting it after I already did it. But this is why I need another brow, because Anastasia work for certain things, and I don't know. I'm not using pomade, and I feel like it works better with pomade. So we just patting it in. And this is like a natural color to my skin, but it's also a brightener. It's also a highlight because it's not my skin shade, but it blends very well with my skin. And this is the matte 16-hour camo concealer. So you definitely don't want to have this one sitting for too long, because once it sits for too long, you're gonna have to basically start your face all over. Once it sets, it's so matte that it's not moving. Now I'm gonna go in with my NARS Seafront Soft Matte. This is the powder that I think it came out last year or the year before. And this is very great for the summertime, because we all know that we ain't really trying to be caked up. On the summer, we not trying to really wear makeup, but we also want to look cute. And yes, you can be cute without makeup, but I'm a makeup girl, okay? I love makeup. So regardless of whatever people think. Now we're going to put this all over the rest of your face as your foundation. And we're patting it. It's like we don't really need much because it's a natural makeup look. But you are basically covering up your blemishes. I've been having a lot of breakouts for whatever reason. This is something that I never experienced in life. And now, why am I experiencing breakouts in my 30s? I never had problems with my skin in high school. Believe it or not, my skin problems was in the 6th grade, 6th and 7th. You know, that's when I was really having pimples. I would get the hormonal pimples a lot. I would get more than one. Matter of fact, I would get 3 at a time. So it's like right now, I don't know why my skin is deciding to play with me in my 30s. These supposed to be the thriving 30s. Okay, so now we do want to go back and set the under eye, because that is concealer. It is cream. So what did I use? It's natural, so you really don't have to use a bright under eye. But of course I'm going in with my Laura Mercier because I love her. This is Honey. But we're not baking. We're just gonna set it right on in there, because you're basically just setting it. You're not baking. You're just making sure that it doesn't move and that it blends in with the powder. So you want to put another powder on so you can make sure that it blends. This is basically the finished look. Because I don't do no contour or any of that. This is a natural makeup look. When I start to contour, I gotta go all the way. So it makes me feel like I need to do everything else. But like I say, I don't have lash extensions on, so I'm going to go in with my mascara. But first, let me finish the brows. We're just gonna do some hair like strokes. And then you're gonna do your setting spray and you're done. That's basically it. You wanna do a lip, do that. I am gonna show y'all what I've been loving recently. Literally, I'm just filling in where I feel like the hair is empty. Like not there. I've been really, I think I've said this in probably all of my makeup tutorials. I didn't have brows, like, so I haven't had them waxed, shaved in over 10 years. And this is what I got. So you would think that it was a little more, but my brow hairs are not like my hair on my head. My hair on my head grows a little faster. I don't like, my brows don't really grow like that. I'm using the going back to the girl Maybelline Sky High, cause when I say the best drugstore, really, Makeup Move put me onto this a long time ago. This is what I've been loving. It is the e.l.f. lip oil. It is so glossy. It's not sticky. I've heard about it. And I did not try the Dior one before. I tried this, which I know this is a dupe for that one. I have Dior lip glosses, but not the Dior lip oil, and I'm satisfied. Like, I don't even have to try it. I'm going to, just so I can see, but I don't have to. And here is a very natural, easy makeup look. Let's take the bonnet off because the edges was marinating. I actually did my hair and I was going to record. I started to record, and doing hair videos is crazy. Okay, so really applaud y'all that do it, because I couldn't get it together. But yeah, here's the finished makeup look. Let me back up. I feel like I'm a little too close. And literally so natural. Anybody can do it. It's literally less than 10 products, and this is a good summertime makeup look. If you want to do contour and make it a little more defined, because even though I didn't do contour, my face still isn't flat because I don't have a flat face. But some people like to contour because they feel that once they put the concealer on, that their face is flat. I'm good over here, but I would just recommend for the summertime to just use powder products, a lot of matte. And make sure your setting spray is on point too. I didn't even spray. I like to spray before my mascara, but you definitely always want to set no matter what makeup look you do. because it just brings it all together. But here's the look, and this is something that I can do every day very quickly. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And your girl is officially back. Today is April 12th, and I'm back. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for rocking with me. And I hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe if you love the video. And share, like, and comment. Bye.